Hello students, welcome all to our math science education. In our maths, we see the lesson number 3, mathematics integer. In this integer, previous video, we see the two terms. There is a showing integers on number line. In this point we learn the point origin denoting the 0. From the 0, right side number is positive number and left side numbers has negative numbers. After that we learn addition of integers. In this part we see the different means 4 types of additions we learn and their related practice set number 5. Now today we are going to start in the integer lesson. Remaining part of the lesson, name of its opposite numbers. So start next point today is opposite numbers. Opposite numbers. Let us redraw the first number line. This is the line. This is the midpoint. Midpoints denoting the number 0. Take a compass. Take our convex distance between this is the divider. Take our convex distance and mark out on the line. Don't change the distance. Write the numbers. Opposite number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot. That dot numbers denoting infinite negative numbers from the left of 0. -2, -3, -4, -5. And there is the +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6. Not necessary to give the plus sign to denote the positive numbers. Now, when we see the 0, from the 0, the number 1, right side positive number. From the 0, left side has negative number as equal distance. Suppose see here, one rabbit jumps from the 0 up to 5. Suppose rabbits how many distance cover, how many units jump rabbit from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Such as the rabbit jumps to left side from 0. When the rabbit jump from the point 0 to left, then where is the reach? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units goes from left, and that rabbit when jump from the 0, he goes on 5. You know that these negative 5 from the 0, negative 5, and these 5, positive 5 from 0, the both distance from the 0 is equal distance. The same distance, positive 5 from 0, same distance, jump rabbit from 0 up to negative 5. In other words, negative 5, its opposite number is positive 5. Understand here? Negative 5, its opposite number. Its opposite number is positive 5. From the 0, these 5 positive 5 and negative 5 distance is same. Suppose the rabbit distance, when jump the rabbit from origin positive 3, and that time the rabbit other jump from 0 to its left 3 units, then reach negative 3 and positive 3. Negative 3 is opposite number of positive 3. The opposite number is at same or equal distance from the 0, but in the other direction. Opposite number is the same distance from 0, but in other direction to each other. विरुद्ध संख्या या आरंभ बिंदूपासून समान अंतरावर असतात, परंतु त्या एकमेकींच्या विरुद्ध असतात. जेव्हा हा रॅबिट या शून्यापासून जंप करत आहे, तेव्हा त्याने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 युनिट जंप केली, तो पॉझिटिव्ह 5 वरती पोहोचला. आणि हा रॅबिट शून्यापासून जंप केली आणि निगेटिव्ह 5 वरती पोहोचला, तेव्हा निगेटिव्ह 5 and its opposite number is positive 5. Positive 4, its opposite number is negative 4. Negative 10, its opposite number positive 10. Okay. Now solve the following example. Number, opposite number. Opposite number. Suppose 3, positive 3, opposite number negative 3. Negative 2, its opposite number positive 2. Negative 12, positive 12. Positive 4, negative 4, its opposite number negative 10, positive 10. These numbers are called as the opposite numbers. Now see the next here. Suppose rabbit jumps from the origin where it does on positive 3. When the rabbit jumps on left from 0, where does it reach? They reach on negative 3. First, negative 3 plus positive 3. You know that if one number is negative, when we do the addition of integer, if one number is negative, another is positive, that time subtract smallest number from the biggest number and give the sum biggest number side. But in this example, both numbers are same. Hence, but one is negative, another is positive, subtract them. 3 minus 3, 0. And 0 does not have any sign. See the more examples. Positive 4 plus negative 4. One number is positive, another is negative. 4 minus 4, 0. 0 does not have any sign. Negative 3, its opposite number is positive 3. Positive 4, its opposite number is negative 4. It means that the sum of opposite number is 0. The sum of opposite number is 0. याचा अर्थ दोन विरुद्ध पूर्णांक संख्यांची बेरीज ही 0 असते. अशा प्रकारे या आपण ऑपोजिट नंबर पाहिलेले आहेत. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. द नेक्स्ट point is comparing integers. Comparing integers. Comparing integers. Generally, you know that when we add the number 1 to any number, then we get next number. For example, there is the number 5, and then 1 is equal to, we get 6. Suppose 8 add 1, we get 9. When the number 1 add to any number, then we get next number to its right. So, to see the comparing about the integers number, see the number line. This line here is the point denoting 0. It's take divider, take our coordinate distance and mark on the line. from the 0, right side numbers, positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and negative 6. Here is you know that when we add the number 1, any number, we get the next number. That here is suppose negative 3. Negative 3. When we add the number 1 in negative 3, which number we get? When one number is negative, another is positive, subtract them. The smallest number subtract from the biggest number, give the sum biggest number side. Hence 3 minus 1, 2, give the sign negative. It means that negative 2 is bigger number. Negative 2 is biggest number than negative 3. Generally you know that 12 and 9. Which number is biggest? 12 is biggest and 9 is smaller. See here. This is the sign. That sign denoting the biggest number and smallest number. That two parts, well, which direction? That two parts, which direction? This side has bigger and that parts, which side? That side is the smallest side. Suppose there is the 20 and 10. Which number is bigger? 20 is bigger. Suppose 35 and 21. Then using the sign, that time, where is the part of the symbol, the sign? This is the biggest number sign shows. 8, 8. Both are same using the equality sign. So now let us see the integers comparing. On this we learn negative 2 is bigger. Negative 5 subtract negative 5. When we add the number 1, we get the number positive 4. It means that negative 4 is greater than negative 5. On this example, we understand here negative 5, suppose negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Compare the negative 4 and negative 5 and negative 4. Which number is greater? Negative 4 is greater. See here, 4 or 5, comparing two positive integers. Which number is bigger? 5 is greater than 4. In this number, negative 3, negative and 4, sorry, positive 3 and 4. Which number is greater? Positive 4. 2, positive 2, positive 3. Which number is greater? Positive 3. Compare positive 1, positive 2. Positive 2 is greater. 0 and 1. 1 is greater. Negative 1 and 0. 0 is greater. Negative 2 and negative 1. Between the two numbers, negative 1 is greatest than negative 2. Negative 3 and negative 2. Negative 3, negative 2. Here negative 2 is bigger than 3. Negative 4. -3, -3 is bigger, and -5, -4. -4 number is greater than -5. Right side number is greater than left side number. See here, all negative number is smaller than 0 and all positive numbers. On the number line, understand here, remember, on the number line, all negative numbers is smaller than 0 and all positive numbers. On the number line, every number is greater. On the number line, every number is greater than the number on its immediate left by 1. संख्या रेषेवर प्रत्येक संख्येपेक्षा उजवी प्रत्येक संख्या ही डावीकडील संख्यापेक्षा 1 ने मोठी असते. 2 आणि 3, 3 ही 1 ने कशी आहे, मोठी आहे. On the number line, every number is the greater number than the number on its immediate left. डावीकडील लगतच्या संख्येपेक्षा उजवीकडील संख्या ही 1 ने मोठी असते. Remember the point and see here comparing of integers. Solve the following examples. Use the proper sign. Use the proper sign in the empty box. Example first, -12, box +3. Second, +14, box -2. Third one is +7, -7. See here, comparing -12 and 3 on the number line. Where is the 3? 3 is the right side from the 0. 3 is the positive number. Hence, that number 3 is biggest number than -12. Generally, there is the 12 is biggest, but in this example, before the 12 number has negative side and hence negative number, all negative numbers, and 0 is smaller number than positive number. Hence, in this example, +3 is the biggest than -12. Use the proper sign. +14, -2. Negative is left side from the 0 and 14 is right side the 0. 14 is biggest. 7, right side the 0, right side the 7. -7, hence is the 7 is biggest. Number 4, -6, 1. Which number is bigger? 1 is right side to the -6. दिलेल्या दोन संख्येमध्ये उजवीकडील जी संख्या आहे संख्या रेषेवर ती संख्या ही मोठी असते. Hence, the number 1 is biggest number and the number 0 is opposite number is same. 0 या संख्येची विरुद्ध संख्या 0 ही संख्याच असते. Now, related the comparing integers that we said 7. Solve in your notebook. after comparing integers. In integers, we see find the sign. Plus means addition. Minus means subtraction. So now, today, in this part, start the next point in the lesson, subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. Remember the one rule related to the subtraction of integers. Which this rule? See here. To subtract a number from another number is add to its opposite number. Opposite number to the other number. When we solve the subtraction of integers related example, then always remember the rules. To subtract a number from another number is add to its opposite number to the other number. याचा अर्थ असा आहे की पूर्णांक संख्येची वजाबाकी एक पूर्णांक संख्या दिलेली पूर्णांक संख्या दुसऱ्या संख्येतून, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 8 minus 5, एक संख्या दिलेली संख्या दुसऱ्या संख्येतून वजा करणे म्हणजे पहिल्या संख्येत दुसऱ्या संख्येची विरुद्ध संख्या मिळवणे होय. पूर्णांक संख्येची वजाबाकी करणे म्हणजे संख्या एका संख्येतून दुसरी संख्या वजा करणे म्हणजे दुसऱ्या संख्येची विरुद्ध संख्या पहिल्या संख्येत मिळवणे होय. For various types of the example in addition of integers we learn. आपण विविध 4 प्रकारचे एक्झाम्पल ऍडिशन मध्ये पाहिलेले आहेत. आता सबट्रॅक्शन मध्ये मात्र या प्रकारचे रूल वापरून आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करायचे आहेत. When we solve the example, changes from minus signs right side, don't change the left side. So see the example first. Subtract. पुन्हा एकदा लक्षात घ्या, दोन पूर्णांक संख्येची वजाबाकी करणे म्हणजे दुसऱ्या संख्येची विरुद्ध संख्या पहिल्या संख्येत मिळवणे होय. म्हणजे आता आपल्याला यामध्ये सुद्धा काय करायचे आहे, बेरीज करायची आहे. Now subtract -9. First understand the sign. This sign is minus or negative? Negative 9. Which sign this? This is the minus sign. Negative 9 minus 5. This sign is minus sign. Hence, this is the positive 5. हे चिन्ह वजाबाकीचं आहे. म्हणून 5 या संख्येला कोणतेही चिन्ह नाही. म्हणून 5 ही संख्या पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. आता आपल्याला या रूल प्रमाणे उदाहरण सोडवायचे आहे. निगेटिव्ह 9 फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड डोंट चेंज. मायनस चिन्हाच्या डावीकडे कोणताही बदल करायचा नाही. निगेटिव्ह 9 as it is, but minus sign changes. Minus, do here plus. मायनस चिन्ह हे बदलून चेंज द मायनस, then write plus. Now you know that no any sign here, hence this is the positive 5. Which number? Write the number of positive 5. Negative number. या ठिकाणी ही संख्या धन 5 आहे. हे चिन्ह वजा आहे म्हणून या संख्येला ऋण चिन्ह नाही. म्हणून या धन 5 या संख्येची विरुद्ध संख्या कोणती मिळेल किंवा कोणती आहे? ऋण 5. हेन्स राइट हियर निगेटिव्ह 5. सी द चेंजेस. Minus sign and that number. Minus plus positive 5, negative 5. This type of the examples we solve in addition of integers. If there is the both numbers, then the negative addition there give the sum by negative sign. Hence 9 plus negative 5. Negative 14. Ignore the sign. Ignore the sign and do the add there. 9 plus 5, 14. Give the sum sign. Negative. See the second example. Subtract. 5 minus 9. 5 minus sign. First identify the sign. Negative or minus. This sign is minus. Hence, don't change the minus sign left side. डावीकडील मायनस चिन्हाच्या डावीकडे संख्या पॉझिटिव्ह असेल, पॉझिटिव्ह लिहायची. निगेटिव्ह असेल, निगेटिव्ह लिहायची. आपणास बदल करायचा आहे तो फक्त मायनस चिन्हामध्ये आणि मायनस चिन्हाच्या उजवीकडे. म्हणून 5 मायनस राईट इनटू प्लस. हे मायनसचे चिन्ह इथं बदलून काय झाले? प्लस झाले. आता हे चिन्ह मायनस आहे म्हणून हे 9 कसे आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. राइट द नंबर ऑफ पॉझिटिव्ह 9. निगेटिव्ह 9. धन 9 या संख्येची विरुद्ध संख्या कोणती आहे? ऋण 9. सी द we get 5 plus negative 9 is addition of integers. Remember the rule, if one number is positive and another number is negative, subtract them. Subtract the smallest number from biggest number and give the sum biggest sign. Hence 9 minus 5, 4. Which number is biggest? 9. 9 is negative sign. The answer is negative 4. See third example. Subtract 6 minus negative 4. Minus negative. First find the sign. From the minus sign, don't change the number or sign. 6 as it is. Minus, write into plus. This number is negative 4. Write its opposite number. Positive 4. We get the answer 10. Understand and see carefully 3 examples. More we see the example. Example number 4. Subtract negative 3 minus negative 6. Identify the sign. Negative 3 minus negative 6. आपल्याला बदल करायचा आहे तो म्हणजे चिन्ह मायनस आणि मायनसच्या उजवीकडील संख्येमध्ये. Negative 3 has left to the minus. Written as negative 3 as it is. Minus. Here write plus. Minus plus. Negative 6. Its opposite number. Positive 6. Negative 3 as it is. Minus change into plus. Negative 6. Its opposite number. Positive 6. Remember the addition of integers rule. If one number is positive, another is negative, subtract. Then subtract smallest number from the biggest number and give the sum biggest number sign. Hence, 6 minus 3. 3. Which number is biggest? 6. Hence, this answer is positive 3 or 3. See next example number 5. Subtract 2 minus negative 5. Sum 2 minus negative 5. 2 as it is. Change the minus sign. Write as plus. Write the opposite number of negative 5. Which number is opposite number of negative 5? Positive 5. Written as positive 5 and then 5 plus 2. 7. Sixth number example. Subtract negative 8 minus 10. Negative 8 minus 10. Here minus sign. Don't change its left part. Written as negative 8 as it is. Minus changes into plus. This sign is minus, hence 10 is positive numbers. Write its opposite number, negative 10. Hence both numbers are negative numbers. Ignore the sign. Addition them. 8 plus 10, 18. Give the sum. Common sign, negative. Thus solve the example using the rules. To subtract a number from another number, please add to its opposite number to the other number. See the second question related to the subtraction of integers. Complete the table. Complete the table. Complete the table. Here is the given one table. This is the minus side. Negative 3, positive 2, negative 8, negative 7, negative 3. Solve the example. Negative 3 as it is minus 10 means positive 10. Negative 3 written as it is negative 3 minus changes into plus. This number, this sign is minus sign, hence this 10 is positive 10. Write its opposite number, negative 10. Negative 3 plus negative 10. Both number sign is common. Hence, addition then 10 plus 3, 13. Give the sum, common sign, negative. Negative 3 minus negative 8. Negative 3 written as it is negative 3 minus changes into plus. Negative 8. Write its opposite number when change the sign. Negative 8, its opposite number is positive 8. One number is negative, another is positive. In this type of the example, subtract the smallest number and give the sum biggest sign. Hence 8 minus 3, 5. 8 is biggest number, hence we get the answer positive 5. Next example, negative 3 minus negative 7. Negative 3 written as it is, minus changes into plus. Negative 7, write its opposite number, positive 7. One number is negative, another number is positive, subtract them. 7 minus 3, 4. Give the sum from biggest sign, biggest number sign. 7 is the positive number, biggest than negative 3. Hence, we get the answer positive 4. 2 minus 10, positive 10. 2 written as it is, minus sign, change the sign, minus write into plus. This number is no any sign here, कोणतेही चिन्ह नाही, म्हणजे ही 10 कशी आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह आहे. राइट द ऑपोजिट नंबर ऑफ 10, negative 10. One number is positive. If one number is positive, another number is negative, subtract them, give the sum, biggest number sign. 10 minus 2, 8. Give the sum, biggest sign. Which number is the biggest? 10. Hence, negative 8, we get the answer. 2 minus negative 8. 2 as it is, change the minus into plus. Negative 8, write its opposite, positive 8. 2 plus 8, 10. We get the answer 10. 2 minus negative 7. 2 written as it is, left side from the minus left side part written as it is, negative numbers or positive number. Minus changes into plus. Negative 7, write its opposite number, positive 7. Addition, then 7 plus 2, Thus, we solve the using the rules subtraction of integers examples. I hope all of you understand the very well subtraction of integers is part. That parts related practice set number 8 solve in your notebook. So students, in this lesson integers we learn now today's opposite numbers, comparing of integers and subtraction of integers. In this lesson we learn natural number, whole number, integer number, positive number, negative number, showing integers on number line, addition of integers, opposite numbers, comparing of integers and subtraction of integers. Thus, now today's our integers lesson over. So, practice all parts in this lesson. आज आपला हा पाठ पूर्णांक संख्या हा भाग किंवा हा पाठ संपलेला आहे. आपण या पाठातील सर्व सराव संच सोडवायचे आहे. टेक केअर, काळजी घ्या. स्टे होम अँड स्टे सेफ. घरी रहा, सुरक्षित रहा. थँक्यू.